Hello everyone, welcome back with Solid Edge basic tutorials how to extrude text. Okay, here I will create new part. You can click here. The next we can change into top view, and then I will draw simple text. You can click sketch, click this tool text. Okay, and will be show for text dialog box, and I will set text into Movasuket. And now you also can set for font size in here, like I will set into 10 font size, and you can click OK, and then I will click at this point to apply. Okay, we have this simple text. The next, if you want to convert this text into 3D, we can use extrusion tools. You can click home again and click extrude. Now in here you can set into singles for options, and you can select this text. Right click, and then it will be automatically correct extrusions. In here you can set like into 10 for extrusion, and you can press enter. Now we already extrude this text with this extrusion tools. Okay, if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.